Hello, my name is Delilah Escamilla. I am currently a critical care nurse at Holy Name Medical Center. I've been a nurse for 17 years. Um, I liked every course thus far. I'm learning a lot. I come from a different perspective, a medical perspective. So, social work is something that, we work with them, but it's, a very we don't we don't work side by side, but we do know that eventually our patients are going to go home, and social workers are usually at the hospital to help us get these people home safely. Um, I want to say the class that I like the most so far has been our first class, which talked about the micro, meso, and macro. I think that was so interesting how, we live in all these different little worlds, but our worlds are combined into this big universe, and that's only within, this planet Earth. So it was just interesting to see those correlations and how, one drop really affects everything else. I enjoyed that class. As far as looking forward for future classes, let me see. I don't know. I haven't looked very far. I mean, I work full time nights, hence the late post. I also take care of my older sister who is currently blind. Um, I am a mother of five adult children and a grandmother to five grandchildren. So it's very busy, it's very, very hectic, sometimes can be overwhelming, but I'm happy to say that I'm doing well in these courses. I look forward to working with everybody. And I know that policy and learning policies are very important, and in a social work dynamic, I guess, is to better the lives of human beings. And I know that's very important, and that's a big part of what we do. Um, so yeah, I'm looking forward to working with everybody. Nice to meet everybody.